In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the name error in Excel. If you've opened a workbook and noticed the name error showing up in a cell, don't worry. This is a very common Excel issue, and in most cases, it happens because Excel doesn't recognize something in your formula. That could be a misspelled function name, or it could be a syntax issue where part of the formula is missing. To get started, open your Excel workbook and go to the Table tab at the bottom so you can look at the example data and formulas more closely. Once you're there, you can inspect the cell showing the error and compare the formula against what Excel expects. In this example, there are 3 common reasons why this error can happen, and understanding them will make it much easier to troubleshoot. The first example is that the formula itself might be misspelled. Excel only works when function names are typed exactly as they should be. Even a small typo can cause Excel to treat the formula name as text it doesn't understand, which then triggers the #name error. To fix that, simply check the formula carefully and make sure the function has been spelled correctly. Pay close attention to every letter, especially if you typed the formula manually instead of selecting it from Excel's suggestions. Correcting the spelling is often enough to immediately remove the error. The second example happens when you're using a VLOOKUP formula and part of the syntax is missing. In this case, the issue may be a missing semicolon or a missing quote between references or values in the formula. When punctuation marks like these are left out, Excel can no longer interpret the formula properly, and the result is the #name error. To fix this, review the VLOOKUP formula character by character and make sure nothing is missing. Check that quotes are placed where they're needed and confirm that semicolons are included correctly to separate the parts of the formula. Even if the formula looks mostly right at first glance, one small missing symbol can be enough to break it. As you go through your workbook, remember that the #name error usually points back to something Excel cannot identify in the formula. So the best approach is to slow down, inspect the spelling, and verify the syntax carefully. In many cases, the fix is quick once you know what to look for. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.